Hello guys and welcome to AI Basics. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create an OpenAI account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, on the search bar, simply type chat.openai.com and hit on enter. Now this is the homepage of ChatGPT or OpenAI. If you have an account, do log in. But for now, we want to sign up, so let's click on the sign up button right now. As you can see, to create an account, you can create it using your email address or continue with Google, Microsoft or Apple. For now, I'm going to create an account using my email address, so let's begin. Right here is my email address. I'm simply going to continue. Now let's enter our password. Well, it says the password must be at least 12 characters. The condition has been fulfilled. Let's click on continue. Now it has said that it has sent a verification email to our registered email address. Let us simply open Gmail. And here is the verification email. Let's click on it and simply verify email address. Now it's asking us for our full name, our birthday. Simply enter your name and birthday as such and click on agree. And there you have it guys, that's how you create an OpenAI account, commonly known as ChatGPT. I hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.